All right, so I'm trying to fix this refrigerator right here. It's a Frigidaire. Your serial numbers and everything, so you'll know if it's same as yours. So that's that. Now, the problem is I'm having two problems. This, frost everywhere. I know I have a lot of food in there, but frost everywhere. I got the ice in there as usual, that's fine. Oh, you can't see the ice. Oh, there we go. Whatever. But this isn't right. Along with that is I'm getting the H1 error, and that means it's getting too hot. So I checked here, and let me see here. So right now it's blowing air into there. So when I open the fridge, okay? However, when I close the fridge, it stops. Right? So there's no air right here right now because I closed the freezer. I mean, like when I close the freezer, it stops. When I open it, it's back again. So that means to get this to work, I need to keep this open. No, but that's ridiculous. Now, how refrigerators work? It needs an airflow, right? So air needs to flow in and out, most likely from the cold side into this side to get here nice and cold the way it should be. It needs to go in. So right now it's going in because the door is open. So that's working, but can't leave that open. That'll be weird. So there is another section down here. Now, I'm not a fridge repairman, I just know physics. So I don't know the name of this, but there's a section right here that allows the air to go back. So from up there, it comes down and then it goes through here. Right now, right here is blocked with ice. So no air is going through there at all. It's just ice. Right, that's just ice. So I gotta get that out. Now, that begs the question, why is there ice there? So I don't know 100% right now, but do know that here was dirty. So I opened here up and I vacuumed all under there. Right, because if that's right there was really dirty, you can't see it. Right there was dirty, so it will impede its ability to function because airflow and different things, and the heater coils were like blanketed with dirt and fuzz and whatever else. So I took that out, I cleaned it out. I cleaned this part out as much as I could have. I used a vacuum. So we're gonna see if that works. But I'm gonna get that. I'm also gonna get this out as well. All right. Probably not gonna film that because much to figure out how to get ice out. Try not to damage anything either. Here's my camera. Okay. So up here is like up here is like styrofoam. So don't dig that. That's like insulation. Down here is ice, just pure ice. Right? Again, up here's styrofoam. Don't dig into this. Just work on the ice. Kind of hard to see, but be careful with that. And don't go wild either, because you might break something. just try to get it out carefully as you can. You may have to, and I'm getting a hole now. You look, there's a hole, so that's a good thing. Again, don't break anything else. I don't know how big this hole's supposed to be, but I don't know, it can't be that small either. There's some more styrofoam right here, so don't dig through that. Just look for the ice. Kind of hard to see, but see if that feels cold. So the ice is going all the way up here. Okay. Now I'm digging here, but I'm digging down. Here is styrofoam. Right here is ice. So I'm digging down. Okay. Ah, there we go. Oops, you can't see that. There we go. Big chunk of ice. Okay. All right. Can't be good. We'll get all of it. One hand is not easy. There's something in there, so be careful not to break that. Whatever this is. Where is it? I'm trying to show it to you. Right, this right there. Don't break that. It's made of metal. Like I said, I'm not a repairman. I just know how refrigeration is supposed to work in its basic form. Okay, I think that's pretty clear now. Alright, now the moment of truth. Now I want to see if, so right now the fridge is open and I'm getting the air through here. I'm going to close the freezer and I'm still getting air. Here we go. I'm getting air through here right now and it's even colder. All right, so that's possible to look at. I'm going to open it again, and still air, but less. All right, that's it. I hope it works for you. Just to follow up on if the fridge is still working, it's now a day after, so about 24 hours. It's about 21 hours after, and there's no H1 error code. Everything is working fine. The frost is not there anymore. Right? So yeah, that worked. worked perfectly. Yeah, so that's all I could say. Ice is working properly. Everything is working just fine. So, I do have one thing to fix actually, and if you know how to fix it, just leave it in chat. So while I can get ice, right, that's fine. But for some reason, this stopped working. It used to work. It just stopped working. So I'm gonna check to see if I need to change the filter or not. I don't know. Now, just to show you, it's not part of the video, but oh well. To show how to change the filter, you just push in, take it out. That's the filter right there. All right, so I'm gonna check to see if that's the problem. I don't know. But everything else is working. Just needed to be cleaned at the bottom. You take this out. You just pull that out. There are no screws or anything. And you vacuum everything under there. And that hole I told you about in the back. You gotta move all this stuff and there's a hole in the back. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.